Hi children, in this video, we will discuss important word problems of the chapter Quadratic Equations. If you want the questions, it is PDF is there in the link in the description. Okay, first question. A train travels a distance of 480 km at uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. Find the speed of the train. Okay, so let us assume that, what can we assume here? We have to find the speed of the train. So let speed of the train is equal to x. So let speed of the train is equal to x kilometer per hour. Now, if the speed had been 8 kilometer per hour less, so decreased speed will be x minus 8. Okay. Now, distance given as 480 kilometer here. Distance equal to 480 kilometer. So using the relation between distance, time and speed, we can find the time taken. So with uniform speed, what is the time taken? Time taken to cover the distance for 80 kilometer is distance by speed, no? So this is 480 by x. With a decreased speed, there also we can find the time. Time taken here will be what? Distance is same only. 480 by x minus 8. So, when the speed is less, it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the distance. So, which is greater here? Time taken is more in when speed is less. So, 480 by x minus 8 is greater than 480 by x. That means in normal speed, if it will take 2 hours or 5 hours, then the speed is reduced. So it will take 8 hours like that. So 480 by x minus 8, 480 by x minus 8. This is more time, no? Minus 480 by x is equal to 3 hours. So the order should not confuse. You have to put the correct order. So you have to understand which speed is, which time is more. Accordingly, you have to give. Or if you have any confusion, what you can do is, it is given that speed is less, then it would have taken 3 hours more. So you can write 480 by x minus 8 equal to 480 by x plus 3. Then you can bring this side so you won't make mistake. Now we have to make this to quadratic equation. So here LCM x into x minus 8. So you can cross and do, or what you can do is 480 is common in both. So 480 if you take common, 480 if you take common, it's not necessary that you should do this way. You can directly do 480 x minus, that way also you can do. Okay. By 1 minus 1 by x is equal to 3. Now we can send this 480 to other side. So 1 by x minus 8 minus 1 by x is equal to 3 by 480. It is divisible, no? We can cancel it. 160 we will get here. Now, take the LCM here. So, x minus 8 divided by x into x minus 8 equal to 1 by 160. Now open the bracket. X minus x plus 8 by x square minus 8x equal to 1 by 160. Now here x minus x cancels. So 8 by x square minus 8x is equal to 1 by 160. Cross multiply. So x square minus 8x is equal to 160 into 8. What is the product of 160 and 8? 1280. Now bring this side. So this will become x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equal to 0. So we got our quadratic equation ready. Now you need to solve. So how you will find? This is the greatest task. You need to find the two numbers whose product is what? Coefficient of x square into constant. That is, product should be two numbers you have to get. What is the condition? Their product should be minus 1280 and the sum is minus 8. This is what we have to get. So since the product is negative, one number positive, one number negative, and the difference should be minus 8. So how you will find the numbers? So what do you have to do? Factorize 1280, you factorize. So divide by 2. 640, 320, 160, 80, 40, 20, 10, 2, 5. Now what you have to do? You need to take different combinations. You have to split this much factors to 2. And you have to see where you get the differences to. So try many combinations. So differentiate means the numbers should not be very, it should be only nearby numbers you have to take. No. So let us see how we can get it. So here 2, 2s are 4, 8, 16, 32. So take up to this, let us see. So this is 32. This is 40. Difference is 8, no? 32 and 40, difference is 8. So here middle term negative, that means the bigger number negative. Got it, no? So since coefficient of x square is 1 here, you don't need to write this split in the middle term. That step directly you can write as x minus 40 into x plus 32 equal to 0. So either x minus 40 is 0 or x plus 32 is 0. So x minus 40 is 0. From that what you will get? X equal to 40. If you take x plus 32 0, x plus 32 if you take 0, then x become minus 32. Speed cannot be negative, no? So we can't take this. So This we will take. So what we have to find here? Speed of the train. So original speed of the train is 40 km per hour. So concluded. Speed of the train equal to 40 km per hour. That's all. Clear? Question number 2. Sum of areas of two squares is 468 square meter. If the difference of their perimeters is 24, find the sides of the two squares. So two squares, let us assume. So let us take the side of this square as x, side of this square as y, and x greater than y. So as per the first condition, areas of the two squares given. So I can write x square plus y square is equal to 468. Equation 1 we got. Now difference of their perimeter. Perimeter of square is 4 inside. So 4x minus 4y is equal to 24. Cancelling common 4. So x minus y equal to 6. Now from this what we have to do? We can write x equal to 6 plus y or y plus 6. No. This we have to substitute in first equation. So first equation will become x square plus 6 plus y whole square is equal to 468. No, for x only we have to substitute, no. So x is 6 plus y. So 6 plus y whole square. So 6 plus y whole square plus y square. That is equal to 468. Open it. 36 plus y square plus 12y plus y square equal to 468. Now y square plus y square, 2y square. So 2y square plus 12y plus 36 minus 468 equal to 0. So simplifying further, we will get 2y square plus 12y minus 36 minus 468. What you will get? 432 minus 432. All the coefficients are divisible by 2. So divide by 2. So it will become y square plus 6y minus 216 is equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation. Now we need to solve it. So what the product here? Product should be minus 216 and the sum should be 6. So again one positive number, one negative number, and the difference is bigger number is positive. So let us find 216 factorizes. We know that 6 cube. So here factorize 2 108 54 27 now 3. Now find the combination where the difference is 6. So 2 into 2 into 3, 12, 3 into 3 into 2, 9. 12 and 9, 18. 12 and 18. That's the combination. So bigger number positive. So minus 12 and 18. That's the number. So y minus 12 into y plus 18 equal to 0. So y minus 12 0. That means y equal to 12. Y plus 18 0, then y is minus 18. So that no need to take. This no need. Only this y equal to 12 we can consider. Now we have to find x no. X is what? X equal to 6 plus y. So x equal to 6 plus y. So 6 plus 12, 18. So what is the question? Question is to find the dimensions or sides of the square. So sides of the squares are, so we can write sides of squares are meter or centimeter, verify it, meter here. So we have to write it as meter. So 12 meter, comma, 18 meter, that's all. Question number 3, very, very important question, important question. Okay. Little difficult to understand. Okay, so let us see. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. Larger tap takes 10 hours, less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. So here, what we have to do is, either you take the time taken by the larger tap as x. So what will be the time taken by the smaller tap? It will be x plus 10, Smaller tap means it take more time. Or you take smaller tap as x. So larger tap takes 10 hours less means you can take it as x minus 10. Whatever is convenient, that way we can consider. Okay. So here, so I am taking the time taken by larger tap as x. So time taken by larger tap, x hours. So time taken by smaller tap, x plus 10 hours. This is to fill the tank completely. Okay. So next we have to find in 1 hour, 1 hour, how much each tap can fill. Suppose a tap can fill a tank in 10 hours. So 1 hour it can fill 1 by 10 part of the tank, right? That is called the rate of what we can say, rate of filling or rate of flow, like that we can say. So we can write rate of filling water by larger tap equal to 1 by x. That means 1 hour it will fill 1 by x part of the tank. Similarly, rate of filling water by smaller tap that will be 1 by x plus 10. Given that together they can fill it in 9 3 by 8. So total time to fill together equal to 9 3 by 8 hours. Convert it into improper fraction. So 8 9 72, 72 plus 3 75 by 8 hours. So here also, but together both the tap in 1 hour, how much they can fill? 1 by 75 by 8 means 8 by 75, no. So here together rate of filling the tank is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 10 is equal to here 1 by 75 by 8. 1 by 75 by 8 here also. That's the important part to do. Now let us form the equation. So 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 10 is equal to 8 by 75. Now you know how to form the quadratic equation. So take the LCM. So x plus 10 plus x by x into x plus 10 equal to 8 by 75. So 2x plus 10 by x square plus 10x equal to 8 by 75. And this side 8 here 2 common, no? So we can take the common together. Without that also you can do, no problem, okay? X plus 5, I am making it more simpler, that's all. Without that also you can do. 8 by 75. Now I am cancelling this 2 and 8 here 4 times. If you are confident only, you go with this method. Otherwise, don't take common. You just cross multiply 75 into 2x plus 10 equal to 8 into, that way you do. Okay. Now 4 into x square plus 10x equal to 75 into x plus 5. Open. 4x square plus 40x 75x plus 75 into 5 375. Now let us bring all this side. Bring all to this side. So 4x square plus 40x minus 75x minus 375 equal to 0. That means 4x square plus 40x, no, 40x minus 75x, no. So it will be minus 35x minus 375 equal to 0. But here, whenever you get the quadratic, no, try to make the coefficient of x square 1. But here not possible because other two numbers are not divisible by 4. So that we can't do. So now we have to find the two numbers. What is the condition of two number? A into B should be coefficient of x square into constant. So 4 into minus 375, which is equal to 375 into 370, 750. 750 double is 1500. So minus 1500 we have to get, and the sum should be minus 35. So the same method, let us find out 1500, let us factorize. 5, 300, 300, again 5, 20, 5, 4, 2, 2. Next, what to do? Check which combination will give you product. Any combination you take, product will be 1500 only, so no problem. What we have to find the difference is 35, which combination. So we will get 5 into 5, 25 together, all other 60. So here middle term is negative, no, so greater number negative. So minus 60 and 25 are the numbers. So split it. So 4x square, when you split and write, if one number positive, one number negative means negative, you always write first. So it will be easy for you to simplify. So minus 60x plus 25x minus 375 equal to 0. Now group it. So 4x into x minus 15 plus 25 into x minus 15 equal to 0. So x minus 15 common, 4x plus 25 equal to 0. So x minus 15 0 or 4x plus 25 0. So which one we have to take? Only this, because here we will get minus 25 by 4. No, that no need, negative. So x equal to 15. That's all. So which one we have taken as x? Time taken by the larger, no? Time taken by, see here, time taken by larger tap is x, smaller is x plus 10. So let us conclude. So we can write. So time taken by larger tap 15 hours, and time taken by smaller tap is equal to 15 plus 10, 25 hours. That's all. Question number 4. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 km between Mysore and Bangalore. If the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more than that of the passenger train, find the average speed of the express train. So first let us assume, let speed of or average speed of express train, not express train, passenger train. Average speed of passenger train is x kilometer per hour. Then speed of express train will be, it's given that it is 11 kilometer more than passenger train given, no, here. So x plus 11 kilometer per hour. Very carefully you have to handle this 11, because no, when you write in the next step, 11 becomes 1 by mistake. So very carefully do. Now the distance given. Distance is 132 kilometer. Now the time taken by both, let us find. So time taken by passenger train equal to distance by speed. 132 by x hours. Now time taken by express train. That is given as 132 by x plus 11 hours. Now express train takes less time, only 1 hour less than the passenger train, no? So that means 132 by x, time taken by the passenger train, that is more, minus 132 by x plus 11. Again, I am telling 11, put it correctly, otherwise, no, by mistake, you will read as 1 and calculation will go wrong, is equal to 1. Now, cross multiplying. So, 132 into x plus 11 minus 132x is equal to 1 into 1, no need to write, no, 1 into x plus 11. So x into x plus 11. Open the bracket. 132x plus 132 into 11. 1452. Minus 132x equal to x square plus 11x. We can cancel these two. Now take all to other side. We will get your quadratic equation. X square plus 11x minus 1452 is equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation. Now we have to find the numbers now. Product 1452 negative 1452, sum 11. So let us find 1452 divided by 11 will be 132. Again divide by 11 is 12. 2, 6, 2, 3. Now what are the numbers? Combination, try. 33 and 44. 33 and 44. Minus 33 and plus 44. So we can write here x minus 33 into x plus 44 equal to 0. So we will consider this because here x equal to minus 44, that negative. So x equal to 33. So x passenger train. So express train will be plus 11, no? So 44. So speed of passenger train. (33 kilometer per hour). Speed of express train equal to 33 plus 11. 44 kilometer per hour. That's all. Next one. What is given? If P, Q, R are real numbers and P not equal to Q, then show that the roots of the quadratic equation P minus Q into x square plus 5 into P minus Q into x minus 2 into P minus Q equal to 0 are real and unequal. So first you must know the condition for real and unequal. To real and unequal, discriminant should be greater than 0, right? That is b square minus 4ac should be greater than 0. So we have to prove that b square minus 4ac greater than 0. To prove b square minus 4ac greater than 0. So let us compare this with the standard quadratic equation form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. No. So here what is in place of a? P minus q. What is in place of b? 5 into p minus q. And in place of c, minus 2 into p minus q. Now let us find b square minus 4ac. B square, 5 into p minus q whole square. So 5 square, which is 25, p minus q the whole square, but b square, minus 4ac. So minus 4 into a is p minus q, into c, minus 2 into p minus q. So simplifying, here, this p minus q whole square, don't open it, keep it as p minus q whole square itself. Here minus 4, here minus 2. So this will become plus 8. P minus q into p minus q, it will be p minus q whole square, no? That's why I told no need to open here. Now we can add, no, they are like terms. We can add it. 25 plus 8, 33 p minus q whole square, no? Now how you will show this is greater than 0? P minus 33 is greater than 0. P minus q whole square, squares always greater than 0, right? Whether it's the square of a positive number or negative number, square always positive. So what we can say, as p minus q whole square greater than 0, 33 into p minus q whole square greater than 0. Therefore, the roots are real and unequal. Real and unequal. That's all. Here, if you want, you can add one more sentence. P minus q whole square greater than 0 because it's a square. Okay. Next question. If the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 2cx plus ab equal to 0 are real and unequal, prove that the equation, another equation given, which has no real root. So no real root means what is the condition? No real roots. Then b square minus 4ac less than 0. So we have to prove that the discriminant is less than 0 here. So first quadratic equation let us consider. So x square plus 2cx plus ab equal to 0, given that roots are real and unequal. So here given roots are real and unequal. That means b square minus 4ac greater than 0. So let us find the b square minus 4ac here. B square, 2c the whole square. 4ac, 4 into a is 1, c is ab, greater than 0. So 4c square minus 4ab greater than 0. 4 is common now. So 4 into c square minus ab greater than 0. Send for other side. So c square minus ab greater than 0. We got a condition here. Now come to the second equation. Second equation also let us find the discriminant. So in the second equation, what is the discriminant? Here x square minus 2 into a plus bx plus a square plus b square plus 2c square equal to 0. So what is in place of a here? Coefficient of x square 1. B minus 2 into a plus b. In place of c you have this much. A square plus b square plus 2c square. Now we have to find b square minus 4ac. So negative, but it will be square will be positive, no? So minus 2 square 4 a plus b whole square minus 4ac. So 4a is 1 only. So 4 into a square plus b square plus 2c square. Now we have to simplify it. Open. So 4 into a square plus b square plus 2ab minus open. 4a square minus 4b square minus 8c square. Here also open. 4a square plus 4b square plus 8ab minus 4a square minus 4b square minus 8c square. So anything to cancel here? 4a square minus 4a square. 4b square minus 4b square. So what is left here? 8ab minus 8c square. Or I can write it as 8 common ab minus c square. Now what is the condition 1? C square minus ab greater than 0. So if c square minus ab greater than 0, then it's reverse. ab minus c square will be less than 0, no? So we can write ab minus c square less than 0 from 1. So 8, therefore 8 into ab minus c square less than 0. So we can conclude that, what is the question? No real root. So we can conclude that, therefore the equation has no real roots. That's all. Clear? Understood? Okay. Question number 7. The sum of a number and its reciprocal is 2 1 by 30. Find the number. It's very easy question. So let the number be x. So then the reciprocal will be 1 by x. And what is given? Sum of the number and its reciprocal is 2 1 by 30. Let us convert this into improper fraction. So 30 into 2, 60. 61 by 30. Now x plus 1 by x. LCM x. So x square plus 1 whole divided by x equal to 61 by 30. Now cross multiplying. What we will get? 30 into x square plus 1 is equal to 61x. That is 30x square plus 30 equal to 61x. Rearranging to standard form, 30x square minus 61x plus 30 equal to 0. Now here we have to find the two integers whose sum is what? Sum will be Coefficient of x square into constant means 30 into 30, 900, and sum should be minus 61. So A into B should be positive 900, and the sum minus 61. So that means both the numbers are negative because product is positive. So 900 factorize 100, 50, 5, 10, 5, 2. Now we have to find the combination. So how we will get it? So one clue I will give, 61. So that the sum is ending in 1. So look the numbers here. Sum to end in 1 means it should be either 8 plus 3 has to come or 5 plus 6 has to come. Right. So 5 plus 6 possible here, 3 and 2 there, 5 there. So split the number in such a way that one number end in 6 and one number end in 5. Understood? So here we will get the numbers as 36 and 25. 36 and 25. Both the numbers add up to 61 and the product is 900. So split the middle term now. So 30x square, both are negative. So minus 25x minus 36x plus 30, 0, group it. So 5x into 6x minus 5 minus, here what we can take 6 now. 6 into 6x minus 5. So 6x minus 5 into 5x minus 6 equal to 0. So 6x minus 5, 0. So from that we will get x equal to 5 by 6, or 5x minus 6 equal to 0. So x equal to 6 by 5. So the numbers are, if you take x 5 by 6 reciprocal, 6 by 5. If you take x 6 by 5, then the reciprocal will be 5 by 6. So the number is 5 by 6 or 6 by 5. Clear? Next one. This also easy question. A 2-digit number is 4 times the sum and 3 times the product of its digits. So a 2-digit number is 4 times the sum and 3 times the product of its digits. So 2-digit number means 1's place, 10's place we can put. And let 10's place x, 1's place y. So what is given here? What is the number? Number is 10's place digit into 10 plus 1's place digit into 1. So 10x plus y is the number. And given that this number is 4 times the sum of its digits. So I can write 10x plus y is equal to 4 times sum of 4 times the sum of its digits. So 4 into x plus y. On simplifying, 10x plus y equal to 4x plus 4y, or what we can say, 10x minus 4x minus y. So 6x equal to 3y. So what relation we can get from this? Y equal to 2x. Y equal to 2x. Now the second condition, the number is 3 times the product of digits. So 10x plus y is equal to 3 times the product of its digits. So 3xy. 10x plus y equal to 3xy. Now we have to substitute y equal to 2x here. So this will become 10x plus in place of y 2x equal to 3x into 2x. So that means 10x plus 2x 12x is equal to 3 2s are 6x square. So this 12x, let us take that side, or what we can do on dividing, we can put that way also. This 6x square divided by 12x, we can put as 1 here. So 1x got cancelled here, and 6 2 times here. So x by 2 equal to 1. That means x equal to 2. Or you can do in another way also. You can write this way also. 6x square minus 12x equal to 0. So 6x into x minus 2 equal to 0. So 6x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 or x equal to 2. That way also you can do. X minus 2, 0. That means x equal to 2. This method also you can solve x. So x 2. So y will be what? Y equal to 2x. So 2 into 2, 4. So the number, 2-digit number, 10's place x, 1's place y. So the number is 24. The number is 24. Now question 9. 3 consecutive positive integers are such that sum of the square of the first and the product of the other two is 46. Find the numbers. So 3 consecutive positive integers. So let the numbers be. Let the positive integers be. What we can take? X minus 1, x plus 1. Now, what is the condition given? Sum of the square of the first. So, first number is x minus 1 here. So, square of that. Sum of the square of the first and product of the other two. So, plus product of other two. Understood? Which is equal to 46. Now, open here. X minus 1 whole square. X square minus 2x plus 1 plus here also open. X square plus x is equal to 46. So, x square plus x square, 2x square minus 2x plus x minus x plus 1 minus 46, 0. So, 2x square minus x minus 45 equal to 0. So quadratic equation formed. Now, what we have to get the two numbers? Product should be what? Minus 45 into 2, 90. And the sum minus 1. So, which are the numbers? A into B equal to minus 90. A plus B equal to minus 1. So, minus 10 and 9, right? Minus 10 and 9. So, minus 90 product, minus 1 is the sum. So, split it. So, 2x square minus 10x plus 9x minus 45, 0. Now, split it. Split the middle term and group it. So, on grouping, 2x into x minus 5 plus 9 into x minus 5 equal to 0. So, x minus 5 into 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. So, since it is given as positive integer, this no need to solve, because there what we will get? X equal to minus 9 by 2 we will get. So, let us not take that. Let us not take that. So, x minus 5 is equal to 0. That means x equal to 5. So, the numbers are x minus 1. So, 4, x plus 1. So, the numbers are 4, 5 and 6. Next is the most important question. Very, very important question. But these questions were there in the old book and it's not there in the delete. It is deleted, but should know how to do it. Okay. Easy only. Just you have to understand the concept that what is downstream, what is upstream. That's the simple thing to understand. So downstream means, I'll explain that. So when a boat is moving on a water, boat is moving. So if the water is in this direction and the boat is also moving in the same direction of the stream, then the combined speed will be both added. That means the speed of boat will be added with the speed of stream. So easily it can go. It will go fast. But downstream means stream is in this direction, boat is moving this direction. So it is a little difficult. It's against the flow. മലയാളത്തിൽ പറയും നമ്മൾ ഒഴുക്കിനെതിരെ എന്ന് പറയും. Okay, so what will happen is combined speed will be difference. So combined speed will be speed of boat minus speed of stream. This is the thing you have to remember. When it go upstream, so time taken will be smaller than the downstream. Okay, clear now? The concept is clear. Okay, so now let us see. So here, let us read the question first. The speed of a boat in still water is 15 km per hour. It can go 30 km upstream and return downstream to the original point in 4 hours 30 minutes. Up and down the time given. Find the speed of the stream. So when it go upstream, its speed is what? Let the speed of the stream be x. Let speed of stream equal to x. So, upstream, combined speed on upstream is equal to x plus 15. Now combined speed on downstream it will be 15 minus x because the speed of the boat is more than speed of the stream. No, so let us rewrite as 15 plus x because that is greater. 15 plus x here, 15 minus x here. Clear? Okay. Now the distance given 30 kilometer. Now, what is the time taken for upstream? Time is speed by distance by speed, no? So total time taken. Total time taken. So upstream time is what? Distance 30 divided by speed 15 plus x. Plus downstream 30 by 15 minus x. This is the combined total time taken. That is given as 4 hours 30 minutes. So that means 4.5 hours. We have to convert everything to hour, which is equal to either you can put 4.5 or 9 by 2 hours you can put. Now we need to form the quadratic equation here. So cross it. So 13 to 15 minus x plus 13 to 15 plus x whole divided by 15 plus x into 15 minus x is equal to 9 by 2. We need to simplify it. So 13 into 15, 450 minus 30x plus 30 into 15, again 450 plus 30x by here a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, no. So 15 square 225 minus x square equal to 9 by 2. Anything cancel? Yes, we can cancel minus 30x and plus 30x cancelled. So what we will get here? 450 plus 450, 900. 900 by 225 minus x square equal to 9 by 2. Both sides single fractions now. So this 9 you can cut, no, 900. Cut it. Next, so we have to move to the next page now. Okay. So here, okay. Now let us simplify further. So 100 by 225 minus x square equal to 1 by 2. Cross multiplying 225 minus x square is equal to 2 into 100, 200. Or this minus x square, take other side, x square so x square minus 225 plus 200 equal to 0. No x term here. Okay. So x square minus 25 equal to 0. So x square equal to 25. So x equal to root of 25, which is equal to 5. So speed of stream is 5 kilometer per hour. That's all. Clear? Question number 11. This is very important question and have been asked in so many exams. Very common and important question. A plane left 30 minutes later than the scheduled time, and in order to reach the destination 1500 kilometers away on time, it has to increase its speed by 250 kilometers per hour from its usual speed. Find its usual speed. I think surely you have seen this question in any of the exam, either model exam or any exam, you have seen this question. So, how we will do this? So, what we will assume here? So, let us assume usual speed we have to find. So, let it be x, right? So, let usual speed of plane equal to x. Now, increase the speed. That is equal to x plus 250. Now, the distance given 1500 kilometers. Now, so normal scheduled time, travel time is what? 1500 by x. But the plane started 30 minutes later. That's why it increased the speed here, no? So, when speed increases, time decreases. We know that. So, 1500 by x minus 1500 by x plus 250 is equal to what? 30 minutes. This 30 minutes we have to convert into hour. So what we have to do? We have to divide this by 60, or we can write it as half hour. 1 by 2 hours. No, half hour. Now, 1500 common in all. So I am going to take it's a common. So 1500, if I take common, 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 250 equal to 1 by 2. Now I can bring this 1500 to other side. So this will become 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 250 is equal to 1 by 2 into 1500. So that means 1 by 3000. Clear, no? Now next, form the quadratic. Cross multiply here. So x plus 250 minus x divided by x into x plus 250 is equal to 1 by 3000. X minus x cancels. Then 250 by open x square plus 250x is equal to 1 by 3000. Cross multiplying x square plus 250x is equal to 250 into 3000. 25 into 3 is 75. Then how many zeros? 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now bring all to left side. So x square plus 250x minus 7,50,000. Zero all, count properly. If you miss one zero, no, then you won't get the answer. Then you will get confused where you went wrong. So very carefully put the zeros. Now product and the sum, how you will get? Very easy here. 1000 and 750 are the numbers. Their product is this. And here negative, no. So one number positive, one number negative. So 1000 and minus 750. Correct. Their difference is 250. So x plus 1000 into x minus 750 equal to 0. So x plus 1000 0 means x will become minus 1000. So that no need to take. So only this we will consider. So x minus 750 0. That means x equal to 750. That means usual speed of the plane is, so we can conclude, usual speed of plane is 750 kilometer per hour. That's all. Question 12. It's a little a different type question. Two trains leave a railway station at the same time. The first train travels due west and the second train due north. First train travels 5 km per hour faster than the second train. If after 2 hours they are 50 kilometers apart, find the average speed of each train. So let us assume, let speed of second train, that is speed of B, is equal to x. So speed of first train A will be 5 kilometers faster, no? So x plus 5. And we have to find the distance, from OA, from the starting point. We have to find OA and OB. So distance covered by B in 2 hours is equal to speed into time. So 2x. Now distance covered by A in 2 hours. So this is O2x means what? AB. OA. This is OA. Okay. Not OA. OB. This is OB. And distance covered by A in 2 hours is OA. That equal to x plus 5 is the speed. Time 2 hours. So 2 into x plus 5. Now we have to apply Pythagoras property in that triangle. So what we can write by Pythagoras property, OA square plus OB square is equal to AB square. And AB is given as 50 kilometer. This is AB. Now substitute. So OA 2 into x plus 5 whole square. So 2 square 4. X plus 5 the whole square plus OB 2x the whole square equal to 50 square. So 4 into x square plus 10x plus 25 plus 4x square 2500. Open. 4x square, or you can here also 4, here also 4. So we can take 4 common now. So x square plus 10x plus 25 plus x square equal to 2500. Now send the 4 to other side. So sending 4 to other side, x square plus 10x. So x square plus x square, no, 2x square I can put. So 2x square plus 10x plus 25 is equal to 2500 divided by 4. So what we will get? 625. Now that we can bring this side. So 2x square plus 10x plus 25 minus 625, 0. That is 2x square plus 10x minus 600 equal to 0. Divide all by 2. So x square plus 5x minus 300 is equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation. Now we need to solve this. So product minus 300, sum 5. So the numbers 20 and 15, right? 20 and minus 15. Product is minus 300, sum 5. So x plus 20 into x minus 15, 0. So either x equal to minus 20, that we won't take. So only this we will consider. So x minus 15, 0. That means x equal to 15. So speed of train, second train B we have taken as x, no, 15 kilometer per hour. And speed of A, which is x plus 5, right? So 15 plus 5, 20 kilometer per hour. That's all. Moving on to next question. A car moves a distance of 2,592 km with uniform speed. Number of hours taken for the journey is 1/2 the number representing the speed in kilometer per hour. Find the time taken. Very simple question. So distance given 2,592 km. Then what's the connection given? Number of hours of the journey is 1/2 the number representing the speed. So let speed equal to x. Then time will be time taken 1/2 of the speed, no? So x by 2. Now speed into time is distance, no? So x into x by 2 is equal to 2,592. So x square by 2 equal to 2,592. So x square equal to 2,592 into 2. So multiplying, what we will get? X square equal to 5,184. So find the square root. X equal to how you can find the square root easily? 5,000 between which two squares? See, 60 square 3,600. 70 square 70 square is 4,900. 80 square 6,400. So it is between 70 and 80. And very nearer to 70 because 49 to 51, no, very near. Ending in 4. So 72 can be. So try. So 72 is the answer. X equal to 72 kilometer per hour. We have to find the time taken, no? So time taken equal to 72 by half, no? So 36 hours. 36 hours. Next one. That also easy question. A girl is twice as old as her sister. 4 years hence the product of their ages will be 160. Find their present ages. So let age of sister equal to x. So what will be the age of girl? Age of girl will be 2x. Now, 4 years hence. 4 years hence, age of sister will be what? X plus 4, right? And age of girl will be 2x plus 4. Next, what given? Product of their ages after 4 years, 160. So that means x plus 4 into 2x plus 4 is equal to 160. So simplify this. So x into 2x, 2x square, x into 4, 4x, 4 into 2, 8x, 4 into 4, 16. This 160 will bring this side, 0. Now simplifying, what we will get? 2x square, 4 plus 8, 12x, minus 160, 16 minus 160, 144, no? Equal to 0. All the coefficients are divisible by 2. So x square plus 6x minus 72 is equal to 0. So what are the numbers? 12 and 6, no? So x plus 12 into x minus 6 is equal to 0. So let us take the positive value. So x equal to 6. So sister's age equal to 6 years and the girl's age is equal to 2x, no? 2x. So 2 into 6, 12 years. So what is asked in the question? Girl's age, no? Both ages asked. Okay. So both ages we got. Next one. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 3 root 5 centimeter. If the smallest side is tripled and the largest side is doubled, the new hypotenuse will be 15 centimeter. Find the length of each side. So now let us, one right angle triangle, let us just consider. So let the smaller side be x, longer side be y. And given hypotenuse is 3 root 5. That means x square plus y square is equal to square of the hypotenuse, no? So 3 root 5 the square. So what it will be? X square plus y square is equal to 45. 3 square 9. Root 5 square 5. So 9 into 5, 45. So we can substitute x square equal to 45 minus y square or y square equal to 45 minus x square. We can write in any way. So y square I am putting as 45 minus x square. Let this be here. Now, if the smaller side is tripled, up 3x. Larger side doubled. So 2y. And square them. The new hypotenuse will be 15. So 15 square. That means 9x square plus 4y square is 225. Now in place of y square, substitute 45 minus x square. So 9x square plus 4 into 45 minus x square is equal to 225. So further simplifying, 9x square plus 45 into 4, 180 minus 4x square minus 225, 0. So 9x square minus 4x square, 5x square. So here also x term not there. 180 minus 225, 45, 0. So 5x square equal to 45. X square equal to 45 by 5, 9. And x equal to root 9, 3. So smaller side is 3 and the longer side is y equal to that we have to find out no. Y square equal to 45 minus x square. So have to substitute that. So y square is equal to 45 minus x square, 3 square. So 45 minus 9. So 36. So y equal to 6. So sides are sides are 3 centimeter and 6 centimeter. That's all. Question number 16. This is a textbook example question. A pole has to be erected at a point on the boundary of a circular park of diameter 13 meter in such a way that the difference of its distance from two diametrically opposite fixed gates A and B on the boundary is 7 meters. Is it possible to do so? If yes, at what distance from the two gates should the pole be erected? Textbook question only. So let us see the figure now. So circular park, no? So one circular. And let us draw the diameter. Diameter. Then two gates, no? So this is one. And this is one. Okay. So AB is the diameter, O is the center, and see here. And we know that this is 90 degree. Angle subtended by diameter at any point of a circle is 90 degree. So ACB is a right angle triangle now. Okay. Now what is given here? Diameter given. Difference of its distance from a pole has to be erected and the difference of its distance from two diametrically opposite fixed gate A and B on the boundary is 7 meters. That means BC, here BC is longer than, no? So BC minus AC is given as 7 meter. Then diameter AB is given as 30. Diameter 13 given, no? Yes, diameter 13 given. Now apply the Pythagoras property. So by Pythagoras property, AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square. So BC minus AC is 7 meter given. So from that, what we can say? We can write BC equal to AC plus 7, no? From this, what we can write? BC equal to AC plus 7. So that we will substitute here. So AC square plus AC plus 7 the whole square equal to AB square is 13 square. So AC square plus open AC square plus 49 plus 14 AC equal to 169. So 2 AC square plus 14 AC plus 49 minus 169 is equal to 0. Now see. So further simplifying, 2 AC square plus 14 AC minus 120. 2 AC square plus 14 AC minus 120. So all are divisible by 2, no? So AC square plus 7 AC minus 60 equal to 0. So which are the numbers? Which are the numbers here? 12 and minus 5. So we can write AC plus 12 into AC minus 50. So this we will consider. So AC is equal to 5 meter. So what will be AB then? AB is not AB, BC. BC is AC plus 7 now. So BC is equal to AC plus 7. So 12 meter. So possible. This is textbook example question. Okay. Next. A takes 6 days less than the time taken by B to finish a piece of work. If both A and B together can finish it in 4 days, find the time taken by B to finish the work. The alone, how much? So together 6 days. Together 4 days they can. And given A takes 6 days less than the time taken by B to finish the work. So let us assume, let time taken, we have to find time taken by B to finish the work, no? So time taken by B is equal to X. So what will be the time taken by A? 6 days less. So X minus 6. Now, what is the work power? Work power or rate of work by B. B can finish the work in X days. So 1 day, how much work he will be able to do? 1 by X, no. So rate of work done by B, that is 1 by X. And rate of work done by A 1 by x minus 6. So together in one day, how much they can do? 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 6, right? And here given that they can finish it in 4 days. 4 days they will finish. So in one day, how much? We got the rate of work for one day. So rate of work together is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 6 is equal to 4 days means. So 1 day how much? That is this, no? So 1 by 4. Now we have to simplify this. So x minus 6 plus x by x into x minus 6 equal to 1 by 4. So 2x minus 6 by x square minus 6x is equal to 1 by 4. Now we have to cross multiply. On cross multiplying, we will get x square minus 6x equal to 4 into 2, 8x minus 4 into 6, 24. So x square minus 6x minus 8x minus 24, 0. That means x square minus 14x minus 24, 0. So product minus 24, sum minus 14. So minus 12 and 2 the numbers. So x minus 12 into x plus 2, 0. So positive value we will take. So x equal to 12. So time taken by B. What is the question? Find the time taken by B to finish the work. So that we have considered as x. So you can conclude time taken by B equal to 12 days. And other one will be 6 days less, no? So 6 days. And the last question here. A farmer prepares a rectangular vegetable garden of area 180 meters square with 39 meters of barbed wire. He can fence the 3 sides of the garden, leaving one of the longer side unfenced. One of the longer side unfenced. Find the dimensions of the garden. So let us assume 3 sides like this. So let this be x, this be y. And the area given as 180 meters square. And the fence for 3 sides, that is given as 39. So area equal to xy equal to 180 meters square. Now x plus y 2y, x plus 2y is equal to 39. X plus 2y equal to 39. Now here we can write, from this we can write x equal to 39 minus 2y, no? That we are to, this we are to substitute in the area. So area will become, in place of x, 39 minus 2y into y equal to 180. So 39y minus 2y square equal to 180. So take the other side. So 2y square minus 39y plus 180 equal to 0. Now the product should be 360, sum should be minus 39. So what are the numbers? So numbers we will get 24 and minus 24 and minus 15. Add up to minus 39, product is positive 180. Not 180, 360. Product should be 360, no, 180 into 2. So, split the middle term, 2y square minus 24y minus 15y plus 180 is 0. So, 2y into y minus 12 minus 15 into y minus 12 0. So, y minus 12 into 2y minus 15 0. So, both the value we will get positive, no? So, we will get y equal to 12 or y equal to 15 by 2, which is equal to 7.5. That can be no. So, the dimension, so if y equal to 12, what will be x? X equal to 39 minus 2y. So, let us check that, which is possible. So, x equal to, both the way, let us find out. So, when y equal to 12, x equal to 39 minus 2y. So 39 minus 12 into 2, 24. So it will be 15. Now when y equal to 15 by 2 you take, then x equal to 39 minus 15 by 2, you can put it as 7.5 or 7.5. So on subtracting 39 minus 7.5, what we will get? 31.5 we will get. Not 7.5, 2 into 7.5, no, sorry. So 39 minus 2 into, so 15. 2 into 15 by 2 means 15 only, no. So we will get it as 24. So in both cases, check x should be here given longer side. X is the longer side. So in both the cases, x when y 12, x 15 longer. When y is 15 by 2, x is 24. In both the cases, x is longer only. So two possible answers are there. So these two we can take when x equal to 15, y equal to 12, one possible answer. X equal to 24, y equal to 7.5, another answer. So these are the dimensions. You can put meter there or meter. That's all in this chapter. Do well, study well, all the best. Bye.